Hello everyone. Today my new topic name is blood and its disorders. First we discuss the what is blood. Blood is the circulating fluid including plasma and different cells such as red blood cells and white blood cell and platelets in the vascular system of humans and other vertebrates. So what is the function of blood? First is a supplies essential nutrients in cell such as glucose, fatty acid and amino acids. Next is a transport oxygen and carbon dioxide and hormone in the body. Next in that protect from pathogens, blood loss and disease. Next in that helps regulate body temperature. Next point is a physical characteristics of blood. First is a more viscous, thick than water, 100.4 degree Fahrenheit temperature, 8% of total body weight, average blood volume in males in 5 to 6 liters, and 4 to 5 liters average in females. Next point is component of blood. First is in blood is made of two main components. First is blood cells, it's a 45%, and next is a plasma, it is a 55% in the body. White blood cell and platelets it's less than 1%. Next point is a blood cells. Three types of blood cells are: first is the red blood cells, like called as erythrocytes. Next is the white blood cells, it's called as leukocytes, and next is the platelets, it's called as the thrombocytes. Next is a first is in that red blood cell, it also called erythrocytes. It's a biconcave shape. It is a elastic cells membrane. It have no nucleus. It is include 95% of RBC consist of hemoglobin, red pigments. Its remaining 5% consist of enzyme, salts, and other proteins. Next is a white blood cells. It's also called as leukocytes. They are colorless. It's much larger than red blood cells. It's a 1 cubic millimeter of blood contains 7,000 to 8,000 WBC. It form in bone marrow. It's their lifespan depend on the body needs, so they have lifespan of month or even years. Next is types of WBC. First is granulocytes. These WBC have granules in their cytoplasm. Granulocytes include neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Granulocytes, these are the without granules in their cytoplasm. These include monocytes and lymphocytes. First is the platelets. Platelets are also called thrombocytes. Platelets are not cells; they are a fragment of large cells. In that the nucleus are absent. It have a random shape. It was a 2 to 4 micron size. It have a normal platelets count is a 150,000 to 4 lakhs drop of bloods. Next is the plasma. It is a normally 55% of our blood is made up of plasma. It's composed of approximately 90% water. Plasma is a liquid portion of blood. Next is the function of plasma. Plasma helps to maintain blood pressure. It regulates body temperature. It contains minerals, salts, hormone, and protein that perform important function in the body. And last point is a disorder of blood. First is the anemia. It is a condition in which there is a deficiency of red blood cells in the blood. Its symptoms like oxygen carrying capacity of blood is reduced, fatigue, cold intolerance, and paleness, lack of oxygen for ATP and heat production. Next point is next deficiency is leukemia. It is a uncontrolled production of white blood cells. It is called as leukemia, and it's also called blood cancers. Its symptoms like pale skin, tiredness, a high temperature like fever, neck, and last is a weight loss. Its treatment like in the blood of the patient should be changed regularly. It can be cured by bone marrow transplant. It is a it is an effective but expensive treatment. Last disorder is thalassemia. It is a genetically transmitted disease. The patient of thalassemia has abnormal hemoglobin. This disease is more common in children, especially children of Mediterranean parents. Its treatment like the blood of this patient should be replaced regularly with normal blood, and it can be cured by bone marrow transplant. The bone marrow transplant is very expensive. It is cure rate not 100%. So this is a we now today we discuss the what is the blood and its disorders. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.